Hello, at this part of the tutorial, we'll now be applying deformers to all the um, parts here in my character rig and create some organizations to make it look more professional and much easier to navigate. Okay, let's begin. So I'm going to start first by creating a display node, connect it to the neck, and then uh, creating a deformer. So again, I will be using an envelope mode for this one. So don't forget, never use automatic mode. So we'll be using envelope mode the entire time, or most of the time, perhaps. Then we close. There we go. Go on to the next one. We have the collar. Each corner should have a deformation point. Same thing here. Deformation point. Then hold Alt to close. Chest. I have here just this chest area. Then close it. This back part of the collar. Same thing. Shoulder. We need the line, so 2 points for that one. Then to here. Shirt gap, it's just a triangle. So same thing, just 3 points. Shirt line is just a line, so I'm going to use again an envelope deformer. So 1, then 2. For the shirt, 4 points. Then close. Okay, next I have here the crotch and the hips. There you go. So once done, the front view of the rig will look something like this. So everything here is now functional. So if there's a gap, all we need to do is just to deform. That's it. Next, now that we're done assembling, we're now going to do some organization to our rig. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to group the entire head. So this is the rig for my head. Just simply group them. Control G. Let's call this head. There you go. Okay, next, I'm going to add uh backdrops. So to add a backdrop, just select the nodes or the nodes, go to the node view menu, insert, then backdrop. So from here, I can just change the color and then rename it. Call it head. There. So to easily remove the backdrop, there's a handle here at the lower right corner. Just click and drag to detach it and then simply delete it. So I'm going to put a backdrop on each parts. Then I have here the color. I'm going to put a backdrop there so it's much easier to understand and to identify. This will be my color. And then this one right here, let me just fix it for a while. This entire thing right here would be my shirt. So this will be my torso. This would be my arm. And then another one for the clone. Arm 01. And then this will be my arm 02. This one right here would be my hips. Then the legs. So leg 01 and then leg 02. There you go. Okay, I'll also be doing the same thing for the head. This one. So I'm going to organize it as well. This for the hair. Then the eye. Okay, next would be the head shape. Then the ears. Ear 01, then ear 02. The mouth and the nose. There you go. Rename everything, all the composites. I forgot to name this one. I'm going to call it head shape composite. There you go. And finally, once all those organizations are done, I can now select everything from the master peg until it's composite, or its main comp, then group the entire thing. Control G. So I'm going to call it, the name of the character is Kevin underscore version 1, and create a peg. So I can create a backdrop here for the rig. So Kevin version 1. Okay, so now that the front view is done, the next step is to basically create mouth shapes, and finally put textures and pose the turnaround.